Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do the revision of geography. So, let's begin.
In today's video, we are going to do revision of chapter 4 climate of India. So let's start with the topic. So as we know, India has a tropical monsoon type climate. This because India lies in the tropical belt of its climate. It is influenced by the monsoon winds. Hot summer and dry winters are the characteristic of monsoon type climate. And the relief India has many relief feature which affects the climate. For example, Himalayas. So how does Himalayas is one of the feature. So as you know, Himalayas start from the northern part of the India and runs to the northeast part of the country. As this Himalaya act as an border for defense and well as for the climate of India. It does not allow the cold winds coming from western countries to enter India, or else India would be a cold desert. Fun fact to know. And it blocks monsoon. The winds coming from comes from southeast. I'm so sorry, southwest branch. It blocks those wind from escaping India. So this is the one of the feature of Himalayas. Okay, so and one of the factor is India is a big nation. Okay, it's very vast in region. It is the seventh largest country in the world. Okay, so due to which it has variation in temperature in everywhere. um, for example, in the time of June, Rajasthan experienced 48 to 50 degrees Celsius, whereas Kashmir experienced 22 degrees Celsius in same month. Kerala enjoys tropical climate with warm and moist air. Punjab experienced continental type and serve with the severe heat during the summer and serve cold during the winter. So why does this happen? Okay, the Kerala experience tropic climate, or we could say the coastal climate, which is because the Kerala is near to sea, it has a Mediterranean climate, and whereas the Punjab is not near the sea, it has continental climate. And continental climate are the extreme climate, means it is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Then we have, while the temperature in Kerala remains about 20 to 22 degrees Celsius, the Kargil experienced the same temp at the same month experienced minus 40 degrees Celsius. So while the difference between day and night temperature in Kerala is hardly 7 to 8, the diurnal range of the temperature is extremely high in the Thardis, and the difference between day and night is between 25 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. As you all know, in desert or in Rajasthan area, it is very hot at day and very cold at night because sand get easily hot and cold, due to which it there's a sudden drop in temperature in day and night. Precipitation also different country. While the precipitation is a form of snowfall over the Himalayas, it rains over different other part of country. And do you know that in Mausam Ram Cherrapunji, it receives the highest rainfall in the world. It receives about 1100 centimeter of rainfall. Most part of India receive rainfall during the June to September, but the coastal area of Tamil Nadu receive the rainfall during winter. Now, what are the factors affecting the climate? Himalayas, as I already told you, it act as a border, so it does not allow cold winds from Serbia to enter India, and it does not allows the moisture-bearing wind to enter to escape the country. Now, the monsoon winds. The monsoon winds affect the climate of India. The southern west monsoon winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal over the country at the month of June, July, August, and by the beginning of the October, the winds start retrieving from the central India. The northeast monsoon winds bring rain to Tamil Nadu in winters. Now, there are two type of monsoon in India. First is the normal monsoon, and the other is retreating monsoon. So what is retreating monsoon? In this, the first the wind goes from south to north, and after a while it comes back from north to south and go back to the seas. So latitude. The Tropic of Cancer, which divides India into two part, the northern and the temperate zone, and the southern, which lies in tropic. Uh, India is divided by Tropic of Cancer into two half. So that also makes one of the feature of the temperature. Now, varies relief. Okay, so relief features plays an important role in shaping the climate of India. The location of its windward side of Western Ghat receive heavy rainfall, and the Deccan plateau lying on the leeward side of the rain shadow area of Western Ghats is very rainfall. So anywhere the windward side gets the rainfall and the shadow area gets very less rainfall. Okay, area located in Assam receive very high rainfall compared to the region of India north. This is because hills in southern are blocked by the winds and force them to shed their moisture by the time of this in a wind arriving the northern Assam by their comparatively dry. So you know why does Mosam Rao Cherrapunji gets the maximum rainfall? So when the wind starts moving at the direction of Mosam Rao Cherrapunji, due to the Himalayas and the mountain range, there is a funnel-like shape. Okay, it's the mountains are in a funnel-like shape, due to which it that makes the winds trap over there and precipitate altitude. So, as you know, the temperature decreases every 1 degree Celsius at the rise in 166 meter. Thus, the mountain are cooler than the plains. Thus, the temperature at Ooty is lower at Kochi as the former in the located at high altitude. Now, influence of surroundings. India, a peninsula country surrounded by sea, ocean on the three side, as you know this. So the water body affects the climate. So the as you know the land near to sea experience moderate climate, Mediterranean climate, and whereas um, it does not get very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Western disturbance. Now, what is a western disturbance? Due to the shift of the pressure belt in the central and west Asia, the northern India comes under the influence of western disturbance. The western disturbance caused rainfall over the part of country, snowfall over Jammu and Kashmir, distance from the sea. So the regions located away from the sea and its interior of the continental experience the continental type, and the summer are extremely hot and winters are extremely cold. So see the area, as I told you, the which experience continental type of climate has experienced extreme conditions. So now there is one effect known as El Nino effect. It is caused due to the disturbance in the Pacific Ocean, which affects India's climate. So that phenomena is known as El Nino effect. So now, phenomena and mechanism of the monsoon. The monsoon are caused by the differential heating and cooling of the land. They are divided into two systems in the summer. So you know, during the summer, when the sun is directly overhead of Tropic of Cancer, it creates a high pressure area on the surface of the middle of country India, and due to the low pressure in the seas, the wind starts moving from low pressure to high pressure, due to which India gets rainfall. Then why do we have retrieving monsoon? So this is also a very interesting question. So as you see, when the sun after summer during the winter, it starts shifting towards Tropic of Capricorn. So as it moves down, the low pressure zone starts going towards down. So the now the winds which are at the northern part of the India start moving downwards to the oceans. Okay, now winter monsoon during the okay, so I explained you this entire thing just now. Now features of rainfall in India. So as you know, rainfall is very important in India because India is completely dependent on rainfall, and okay, due to which agriculture and many things are dependent on rainfall. Now season in India, there are four seasons in India. First, hot dry summer. So it begins from March to May. Just remember M to M. The India has the highest temperature recorded in the northwest part of India and highest at reach 48 degrees Celsius in south, and does not experience intense heat because of experience moderate influence of sea. So during the summer, a local hot wind is called Loo in north part of India. Direct exposure of wind and fade proved fatal. During the season, thunderstorm is known as ये काल बैसाखी hits West Bengal. There are two. They are also known as Barodoli Chehra. I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Barodoli Chehra. And these thunderstorms are accomplished by heavy rainfall. It also rains in the coastal Kerala and Karnataka. These showers are known as mango shower as they help in the early ripening of mangoes, and known as the cherry blossom in Karnataka. So as you can see, this as monsoon belt. So there are two type of monsoon belt in India: Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. By the name, you might have understood that Arabian Sea branch moves from Arabian Sea, and the Bay of Bengal branch comes from Bay of Bengal. Okay, so when Arabian Sea branch gets exhausted, the Bay of Bengal branch gets meat and kind of reviving the Arabian Sea branch with moisture again. Okay, so this is it for the Arabian Sea. Now retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon is due to the in the month of October to November. So May to March is hot, dry summer. Then June to September is monsoon, and October to November it is retreating monsoon. Tropical cyclone is experienced in Bay of Bengal caused by the local variation of heat, moisture. They result in tropical cyclone in November and December. Okay, now October heat. In month of October, it's marked as the cloudy sky, high temperature, and high humidity. This is called as October heat. The month is also the period of transition between hot rainy season and to cold season. Now the cold season start in the mid-November to India and stays till February. So December and January are the coldest month. The temperature decreases from the south to north, and the places near the northern India plains experience cold climate. Thus, while the means of temperature during January at Tiruvananthapuram is as high as 31 degrees Celsius, it is only 16 degrees Celsius in Varanasi. Okay, so now rainfall, most of the country is fed on rainfall. Okay, like Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Western are benefit the most for rabi crops. So now there is this final chart of distribution of rainfall. So factor determining the distribution of rainfall: first, direct of moisture laden heavy winds, conditions, then cyclone depression determined by the pressure gradient, and the direct relief feature. Now distribution of India: region receive very heavy rainfall, more than 200 slopes of centimeters, so 200 centimeters slopes of Western Ghats and Western Coastal Plains, Meghalaya Hill, Karo Khasi, Jaintia. This experience the slopes Eastern Himalayas, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, and West Bengal. Receiving moderate 100 to 200 centimeter is Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, middle Ganga Valley, and some part, and very low 50 to 100 Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and eastern Rajasthan, Punjab, Kashmir, and northern 100 and receiving scanty rainfall is 100 to 200 centimeters in other part of Punjab, West Rajasthan, rain shadow region of Western Ghats. So yeah, that was the revision of entire chapter 4 in short. So thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in next video.